Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about KiNSMART 2013 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor Supercrew with the edition is Police. It's a Police edition. The scale is 1:46 and it's a die-cast metal body toy truck and its weight's around 3.84 ounces. And the best part is it has two movable parts. One is the doors and the hatch is also movable. So let's get into the interior. How does it look? The interior looks really cool and it has a decal on the truck. Can be seen the police logo both the sides, the police logo on the hood, the Ford logo on the front, and it has a good detail headlight and the tail light, and can be seen F-150 and the Raptor and the logo of Ford. And in the side we can see 4x4 and 911 emergency. In the top we can see the lights, emergency light, so that is best part. It would be better if it lights up anyhow, but I like the appearance and the quality and the value of the non-riding toy vehicle. It's a cute little car which is well made and looks like sturdy metal, not plastic, except the base, and it's made in China. So it is a pullback truck, so let's roll it and let's see how does it roll. And it rolls pretty smooth. I like it. So let's talk about the 2013 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor Supercrew, which is a powerful and rugged pickup truck that is designed for off-road adventures. It comes equipped with the 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 411 horsepower and 434 lb of torque. The Supercrew model has a 145-inch wheelbase and a 5.5 footbed. It also has a payload capacity of 1,000 pounds and towing capacity of 8,000 pounds. Wow. So if you're interested in purchasing a used 2013 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor Supercrew, you can find on Carfax for as low as $24,966. What do you think about this Ford F-150? I'm really impressed with the design and the decal which has been done to this die-cast truck. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.